All right, so one of the most important things you have to be able to use your periodic table for is to tell whether an element is a metal or a non-metal. We'll discuss the properties a little bit later on, but for now you just need to be able to identify if it's a metal or a non-metal. So if we draw our little periodic table here, in this periodic table you'll see there's a staircase. It cuts off hydrogen and then comes over here and then just kind of staircases down. So boron's up here, aluminum's down here, and then everything down below here is a metal. Everything above is a non-metal. So be able to identify whether something is a metal or a non-metal. Here's just another image of this. You can see the staircase going down. There should be another little piece of the staircase right over here cutting off hydrogen. Things near the staircase are what are known as metalloids. And so basically, along with hydrogen really, basically it means they're somewhere in between a metal or a non-metal. For the purposes of our class, if they're above the staircase, we're going to call it a metal. And if they're below the staircase, we're going to call it a non-metal. But it is important to know that it's not so black and white. Things are a little bit more gray than maybe we would prefer. Here's just another image of that. So you can see here in this kind of purple color, they call these metalloids. But remember, for our case, we're just going to use this staircase here as our indication. So for example, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus, selenium, identify them. Go ahead, pause the video and identify them as metals or non-metals. So sodium over here below the line, that's a metal. Magnesium below the line, that's a metal. Phosphorus above the line, that's a non-metal. And then selenium above the line, that's going to be a non-metal as well. So it's really important, and you need to be able to quickly identify whether something is a metal or a non-metal.